International Car Channel brings you an exclusive look into the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan, a luxury SUV that redefines power, elegance and modern innovation. Known as the king of luxury SUVs, the Cullinan blends bold design with cutting-edge technology and supreme comfort. Every inch of this masterpiece reflects the timeless legacy of Rolls-Royce while introducing futuristic elements that meet the demands of today's world. The 2025 Cullinan is not just about traveling from one place to another, it is about experiencing ultimate prestige and unmatched refinement on every journey. The exterior of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan carries forward its iconic and commanding design with a modern touch. The Pantheon grille is more defined with slimmer, elegant lines, and above it the Spirit of Ecstasy stands proudly. Sleek LED laser headlights add a futuristic edge, providing crystal-clear illumination in all conditions. Its large sculpted body flows smoothly with aerodynamic precision, while massive alloy wheels and a bold stance ensure that the Cullinan dominates the road wherever it goes. This SUV is not only a vehicle, it is a moving piece of art designed to capture attention at every turn. Step inside and the 2025 Cullinan welcomes you into a world of absolute luxury. The cabin is a perfect combination of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. Hand-stitched leather seats, handcrafted wood veneers and customizable ambient lighting create a serene and premium atmosphere. The famous Starlight headliner with shooting star effects adds a magical touch that transforms the cabin into a relaxing sanctuary. A fully digital driver display and advanced infotainment system with a large touchscreen and rear seat entertainment ensure that both driver and passengers enjoy complete convenience and connectivity throughout the ride. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering immense power with signature smoothness. Despite being a heavyweight SUV, the Cullinan glides effortlessly, offering a whisper-quiet ride thanks to advanced sound insulation and engineering excellence. The adaptive air suspension scans the road ahead and adjusts instantly, ensuring maximum comfort on every terrain. Mild hybrid assistance is also. Subscribe my channel Auto Buzz.